So, Kiara is in 3rd grade, came home with some subtraction problems, and I try to help her, but I just totally confused the kids because the way they do math and subtraction
these days,
these days is completely different to what I used to do. So, this simple problem here, the way I was taught exactly, is 408 minus 69. It's very simple. Because 8 is smaller than 9, you have to borrow. So we all know that. So we put the 1 up there. So 18 minus 9 is 9. Now since you borrowed up here, you've got to add back down here. So that's a 6. This actually turns into a 7 now. And 0, you can't take away from 7. So you borrow again. So 10 minus 7 is 3. And since you borrowed here, you put 1 down here. 4 minus 1 is 3. Boom. Very easily. Very easy.
Very easy. Oh my goodness. Okay.
Okay. Now I have my 8th grader who is going to help my 3rd grader with the same problem. Okay, Kyson, what is 408 minus 69 and how would you do it? Go.
He's going to do the same way as me.
How I would do it is that since you have to, you can't subtract 6 from 0. So you need to borrow 1 from 4, so it turns into 3.
Oh my goodness.
Then you turn this into a 10. And then you borrow 1 from the 10 to make it 9, so you can turn this into 18, so it works for 9. So 9 minus 8, or 18 minus 9 is 9. 6 minus 9 is 3, and 3 is just 3.
Now I have my 7th grader who's going to do the same problem. 7th grader, how would you do it?
Okay, so 8 minus 9, you can't do that. So, but you can't borrow from the 0 either. So we're going to go ahead and borrow from the 4. Make it a 3. Then we're going to go ahead and borrow from make the 0 a 10. And then borrow from the 10 again, make it 9. And then we're going to get what we just borrowed from the 10 and borrow to this one, which is going to make it 18 minus 9, which is 9. 9 minus 6, which is 3. And 3 minus 0, which is 3. Resulting in a total of 339.
Clayton's way simpler.
So the 3rd grader says that her way is simplest?